Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open slightly lower due to the weakness in global markets ahead of the US interest rate decision and concerns about FII selling. Dow Jones fell for the ninth consecutive session, marking its longest losing streak since 1978 as investors await the Fed Reserve's anticipated rate decision and its outlook for the next year. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 18th of December 2024, Nifty index opened negative and cascaded throughout the session and slipped below to 24,300 levels. Bears had complete control over the index right from the opening tick, and it closed with losses of around 330 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower lows from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was up by around 3.3% to 14.5 zones. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.65. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,900 to 24,800, while immediate range slips below to 24,100 to 24,600. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 6,410 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,706 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 36%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 24,500, weakness could be seen towards 24,000 levels, while hurdles can be seen at 24,500. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 53,000, some weakness could be seen towards 52,250, while hurdle can be seen at 53,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Oberoi Realty, Lodha Prestige Estate, MCX, Dixon, BSC, Zomato, and Coforge. While weakness can be seen in LIC Housing Finance, MGL, Bandhan Bank, TVS Motor, Escorts, Hero Motocorp, and IndusInd Bank. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.